Have you been feeling bloated or dealing with pesky diarrhea? Are you low on energy and battling those stubborn extra pounds that just won't budge? You might be experiencing the painful repercussions of an unhealthy gut. Don't worry, you're not alone in this. Your gut, home to trillions of bacteria, holds the key to your overall well-being. Why does gut health matter? Well, think of your gut microbes as your personal health guardians. They ensure better digestion, more energy, and an all-around happier you. Now on to tackling these gut concerns. But before we dive in, remember, stay tuned till the end because we've got some exciting and unheard ways to fix your gut health that you probably wouldn't want to miss at all. Your path to a thriving gut ecosystem lies in your diet. Packaged food? It's more than just a meal. It's your gut's fiercest enemy. Every time you tear open a pack of processed food, it's like you're tearing up a part of your gut. So, how do you win this battle for gut health? Start by nurturing your gut with wholesome, fiber-rich foods and probiotics. Swap out those processed meals for fresh, nourishing alternatives. Your gut will thank you by keeping you energized and resilient. After all, a happy gut is your body's fortress against illnesses. Now let's explore how to fix gut bacteria and address digestive issues, which often involves a mix of dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, and sometimes medical interventions. Let's start with the dietary changes. Improving your gut health and tackling digestive issues might start with some simple shifts in what you eat. Now, let's break down certain dietary adjustments that could make a big difference. First off, load up on fiber-rich foods. Think fruits, veggies, legumes, whole grains, and nuts. They significantly help build up the good bacteria and keep your gut in top shape. Next, give a shout out to prebiotic and probiotic foods. These include whole grains, onions, garlic, fermented goodies like miso, yogurt, kefir, and other pickled foods. These foods support the growth of those friendly gut bacteria. But wait, steer clear of processed foods. They might seem tempting, but they often pack in extra sugar, fat, and salt. Opt for whole foods instead. They keep all the good stuff intact and benefit your gut health big time. Oh, and don't forget to gulp down plenty of water. Staying hydrated can be a secret weapon for a happy gut, boosting the diversity of bacteria hanging out in there. Variety is the spice of life, right? Well, that goes for your gut too. Eating a mix of different foods helps keep your gut microbiota cheerful and diverse. Moving on, a healthy lifestyle can be the cherry on top for a happy, healthy gut. When considering lifestyle adjustments that can positively impact your gut health, focus on stress reduction. Engage in stress-relieving practices such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Chronic stress can significantly affect gut health, making it crucial to find effective ways to manage stress levels. Secondly, ensure adequate sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, high-quality sleep each night. Optimal sleep not only rejuvenates the body, but also plays a vital role in supporting overall health, including optimal gut function. And hey, get moving. Regular exercise isn't just about toning those muscles, it also does wonders for digestion and your general well-being. So it seems like managing your gut health isn't a hard nut to crack. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful gut-related tips and updates that will not only boost your energy, but also help you lose weight by fixing your digestive concerns. Wait, this is not the end. When it comes to sorting out your gut bacteria and getting your digestion back on track, there's a whole lineup of medical strategies backed by solid research up next. Have you ever heard of fecal microbiota transplantation? It's a bit out there and pretty gross, but it's very effective at fixing various gut issues. It involves transferring healthy gout from a donor to someone who needs to restore a balanced gut microbiota. It's been a game changer for issues like recurring digestive tract infections, lactose intolerance, and may help with other gut-related issues, but you will definitely want to check with your doctor to see if this odd yet effective solution is right for you. And let's not forget probiotics. They can step in for specific gut problems, such as antibiotic-related diarrhea and many other gut-related issues. But they're a bit like a double-edged sword. They have their own set of benefits, but they can disrupt the gut microbiome if you don't diversify your probiotic sources correctly. So, if you implement these tips, you can transform your gut health and become the best version of yourself. From increased energy and boosted immunity to improved digestion and weight management, the benefits of a healthy gut are far-reaching. So don't wait. Start taking control of your gut health today and experience the difference. Join the Good Gut family by subscribing right now for more life-changing gut health tips to help you lose weight, boost your energy, and help you to live your life to the full.